Good morning, everyone. Once again, good morning, all of you. Good morning, children. Children, now see how we will revise the table. Listen carefully. First of all, by the time your turn comes, you please keep on writing the table of 12 and table of 13 in your notebook. And I will check everyone's notebook in the live class right now. After my session, last 5 minutes, I will check that notebooks also. So please write table of 12 and table of 13 in your notebook. And meantime, we will revise. How we will revise? See, I'm already working with this grade 4 and it's really going good. Yes, Rushika?
Mom, I will be coming in 2 minutes. I have to go down.
Rushika, when you enter in the class, please come prepare in the class. Now, how we will revise this table? See, everyone please open your people's column. When you open your people's column, your name will come first, right? But don't think why your turn has not come. Your turn will come according to the alphabetical wise. For example, in my list, first my name is coming and next Aheli's name is coming. So I will start whenever the 12 ones are and 12 tens are. I will say, and rest of the numbers, I will call the child name. That child will tell me. If I ask Aheli, what is Aheli? 12 fours are. So she will has to give me the answer instantly, fast. Okay? Yes, Jash Ruparelia? Mike.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, Kanan. Kanan, please lower it down. When I will say to show me, then show me. Right now, no. Please put it down, Kanan. Thank you. Good. Yes, okay. I'll start with Aheli. Aheli, I will say 12 ones are 12. You will say 12 twos are what? 12 twos are?
12 twos are 24.
Arav Palaskar, next. Children, you have to be alert and you have to listen in a one go.
Yes, ma'am.
12 threes are?
36.
Arna Agarwal, next.
Yes,
मैं
ma'am.
नहीं बोलूंगी. You have to be alert कि आपको next number क्या बोलना है.
Number 12 fours are 48.
Next is after Arna Agarwal, Arush.
Ma'am, 12 5s are 60.
Very good. Advika Agarwal.
Ma'am, 12 6 is 72.
Next, Ahmad Noorani. Ahmad Noorani. Anubhavi Gupta. Children, it will definitely affect your grades if you not respond in the class.
12 sevens are 84.
Next, Aurav Agarwal.
Ma'am, 96.
Next, Devanshi. Ahmad, now mute your mic. Ahmad, your turn has gone. Now mute your mic, please. Devanshi.
Yes, ma'am.
Next, you should be alert. What? Yes, you should be alert what you have to say. 12 nines are?
12 nines are 108. 100.
Next is, I will say 12 tens are 120. Now, Dheer Pipalia. 12 ones are 12 also, I will say. 12 twos are Dheer Pipalia. Dheer Pipalia, are you there in the class? Dhruvi, next.
24. 12 twos are 24.
Ishana, next.
12 threes are 36.
Jaival, next.
12 fours are 48.
Jash Ruparelia, next.
Ma'am, 60.
Next, Kanan.
12 6 are 72.
Next, Krishita.
12 7 are 84.
Next, Mannat.
12 eights are 96.
Next, Mayank.
12 nines are 108.
Next, 12 tens are, I will say 12 tens are 120, 12 ones are 12. Maisha next.
12 twos are 24.
Nishika next.
Ma'am, 36.
Prakriti next.
12 fours are 48.
Pranshu next. Pranshu.
Ma'am, 12 fives are 60, ma'am. I was on my mic, so I have been late, ma'am.
Preet next. No, your voice is not coming. Okay. Prithvi next.
12 6 are 72.
She already told 12, 6 is 72. Preet already told. Now next is what?
12 7 are 84.
Poor next. Poor next.
Ma'am, 12 8 are 86.
12 8s are 86. 12 8s are 96. Riva next.
12 9s are 108.
12 10s are 20, 120. 12 ones are 12. Rudra Jalodra next.
Ma'am, 12 twos are 24.
Next, Swara.
12 threes are 36.
Next, Sara. Sara next, please. Sara, please, we are revising tables. Can you say 12 Forza?
Ma'am, she just joined now.
Okay. So, Sara, can you please say 12 Forza? What is 12 Forza?
48.
Very good. Next is Tejasvi.
12 5s are 60.
Vedansh.
Ma'am, 12 6 are 72.
Vivan Patel.
Yes, ma'am.
What are we doing till now, Vivan?
Ma'am, tables.
So you tell me what is your turn now. Which number you have to say?
Ma'am, 12 threes are
12 threes are? Vedansh told 12 6 are 72. So what you have to say now? It shows you are
12 sevens
sleeping.
are.
It shows you are sleeping in the class. 12 sevens are. What is 12 sevens are? What is 12 sevens are, Vivan Patel?
Ma'am, 12 sevens are 84.
Learn tables by heart. 12 and 13, Devanshi, both the tables. Next is Vrishank.
12 nines are
12 8s are. 12 8s are.
12 eights are 96.
Vrushika. Yash Malhotra.
12 eights are
12 8s are, he already told.
12 nines are 108.
Okay. 12 10s are 120. 12 ones are 12. Yashvi next.
12 twos are 24.
Okay, good. So I am done with the table of 12. Now we will revise table of 13. Same way. 13 ones are 13. Aheli. 13 twos are. Now what I will do, I will ask table of 13. Any number I can say in a dodging way and you have to say me that. Okay. Aheli. Aheli 13 threes are.
39.
Araf Palaska 13 fives are.
65.
Arna Agarwal 13 sevens are.
91.
Arush Verma 13 nines are.
What?
13 nines are.
In nines are.
Fast. 117.
Okay.
I will pass to the next child. Advika Agarwal.
Yes, ma'am.
13 six are.
13.
Be quick, please. Be quick,
Yes,
children.
78.
Yes. Ahmad Noorani. 13 sevens are.
91.
Anubhavi Gupta. 13 eights are.
104.
Aryan Agarwal. 13 fours are.
Ma'am, 13 fours are. Ma'am, 13 fours are 13 fours are 52.
Aurav Agarwal. 13 six are. Aurav Agarwal.
78.
Daksh Patel.
Yes, ma'am.
Daksh Patel. 13 six are.
13 6 is 78.
Very good. Devanshi. 13 eights are.
Ma'am, 13 eggs are 104.
Dheer Pipalia. 13 nines are. Dheer Pipalia. 13 nines are. Dheer, again you are not giving me answer. This turn also you are not giving me answer. I will move to the next child. Dhruvi. 13 nines
Yes,
are.
ma'am. 117.
Ishana. 13 six are.
Yes, ma'am. 13 6 are 78. 78.
Jaiwal. 13 eights are.
38 104.
Jash Ruparelia. 13 fours are.
Ma'am, 52.
Kanan Lunia. 13 six are.
13 6 is 78.
Krishita. 13 nines are.
117.
Mannat.
Yes, ma'am.
13 eights are.
104.
Mayank. 13 six are. Mayank. 13 six are. Mayank, should I move to the next child?
78.
Be quick, my dear. Be quick. Maisha. 13 eights are. Maisha. 13 eights are. Nishika.
Ma'am, 104.
Prakriti. 13 nines are. Maisha, it will definitely affect your grades if you are not alert in the class.
Ma'am, 39 is 117.
Pranshu. 13 sevens are. Pranshu, 13 sevens are.
Ma'am, 91.
Be quick in the answers. Preet.
Yes, ma'am.
13 eights are.
13 eggs are 104.
Purv. 13 fives are.
13 5s are 50. 60.
50. 65.
65.
This is second time you giving wrong answer.
Ma'am, by mistake, I said the table of 12.
You are not learning the tables. This is not by mistake. Prithvi. 13
Yes.
fours are.
13 4 is 52.
Riva. 13 nines are.
117.
Rudra Jalodra. 13 fives are. Rudra Jalodra. 13 fives are.
65.
No, Daksh, no. Your turn has gone. You wait for your turn. Sara. Sara.
Yes, ma'am.
13 sevens are.
91.
Swara.
Yes,
13
ma'am.
six are.
13 6 are 78.
Okay. After Swara, Tejasvi.
Yes, ma'am.
13 nines are.
13,9,717.
Vedansh,
Yes, ma'am.
13 8 za.
Ma'am, 13 8 104.
Vihan Patel. Vihan
Yes,
Patel.
ma'am.
13 7 za.
Ma'am, 13 7 91.
Vivan Patel. Vivan Patel.
Yes, ma'am.
13 5 za.
13 5 65.
कहां से देख के बोला? You are learning, right? Vrishank.
Yes, ma'am.
13 9 za.
117.
Vrushika. 13 8 za.
Yes, ma'am.
13 8 za.
104.
Yash Malhotra.
Yes, ma'am.
13 6 za.
13 6 78.
Yashvi Narola.
Yes, ma'am.
13 5 za.
65.
Good. So I hope you all have done table of 12 and table of 13 in your notebooks. Okay, hold your notebooks like this. I want to see everyone's notebook together. Hold your notebooks. I want to see everyone's notebook. Switch on your camera. Vivan Patel, switch on your camera. I want to see everyone's notebook. Vrishika, turn on your camera and show me your notebook. Please, which child is this? Daksh Patel. Neat handwriting mein likhna hai, not this untidy handwriting. You have done very good all the tables, but do neatly, okay?
Now.
So you write after the class now. Done. Good, good. Pranchu, show me your notebook.
Ma'am, I was come in, so I don't know what to write. Ma'am, I have not written.
Why?
Ma'am, C.
We must look at the tables.
Everyone show me, please. Take your notebooks and show me. Hold your notebook. Yes.
Ma'am,
Put it
C.
down.
Actually, I was toilet, so I was not knowing sure we have to
Many of the times. Okay. Put your notebooks down, everyone. I want to talk with Prakriti, Pranshu. Put your notebooks down. I have checked. Prakriti, when you enter in the class, I repeated that time also that please write table of 12 and 13 in your notebook. You write after the class now. So now we revise the chapter number 12, Smart Charts. In Smart Charts, write in the chat box what was this chapter is related about what we have already done. In this chapter, what we have done. Arush, please pay attention in the class now. In Smart Chart chapter, please mute your mics and only write in the chat box what we have done in this chapter. We have already done. So what all the things we have learned in this chapter? Some are saying pictograph, some are saying bar graph, some are saying telegraph. But ultimately, what is the chapter about? Data handling.
Data handling.
Yes, this chapter is about the data handling, and we are making the datas and representing the datas in different charts. Okay. Yesterday also I gave one quiz in the classroom. Only few students, 20 to 23 students have completed. Why, children, you are not
Ma'am, I did.
I'm not
Ma'am, I also did.
I'm not asking to a particular child and I'm not telling to the particular child. The child who has not completed the no. Ishana, mute your mic, please. Vrushika, mute your mic, please.
Ma'am, who was the first one?
I don't know. So you please pay attention now here. I'm not here to telling you who was the first one, who was the second one. I am telling and reminding you, please, whenever the work is given to you, assigned to you, complete that day only. Am I clear with everyone? Whether it is a quiz, whether it is a Google form, whether it is a worksheet, complete on the same day. Okay. Now, I will show you some pictures and will ask some questions based on that. We are revising this chapter from the beginning. Okay. Can you all able to see my screen?
No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Stop now.
Yes, ma'am.
Mute your mics, everyone. And write in the chat box, which type of chart is this? Write in the chat box, which type of chart is this? Swara, you writing both the things, pie chart and tally chart? I'm asking my this question is, which type of chart this is, which I show you just now. Wait a minute, this one. This one is, many of you are writing it's tally chart. Yes, good. So you recognize that which type of chart is this. Now, when we read this question, and when we, wait a minute, I'll show you this one. Now, we will do worksheet based on this revision worksheet. Ajay made a record of his favorite animal he saw in the zoo. Make a tally chart and answer the following questions. In your NCERT books, you have done like this tally chart also, and the standard one was standing lines. Am I clear with you all? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Now see. This type. Now we count the number of elephants. How many elephants are there in this? And if you want to make the tally chart, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So
7.
for these number of 7, how many square boxes with the tally marks will come?
2.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. One.
Ma'am,
And one. One and two.
Please,
One is half.
please pin on my board screen. Pin on my board screen. I'm going to solve this. If there are number 7, and if we want to do it according to the pin on my board screen, I'm solving it on the board. Number 7, if you want to do according to the NCERT. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This way you will mark the 7. And if you want to go according to the, my board screen is visible to everyone. Show me thumbs up.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And
Yes,
the same number, if you want to tell us the way you have learned before the tally marks. So it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, and the 5 will be the slanting line. Whether it come from left to right or from right to left, वो आपके ऊपर है. But these standing lines should be straight. Many times I have noted, आपके straight lines भी नहीं होती. I don't know why. So these should be standing lines, and one slanting line makes the 5 and 2 standing lines more with this. So it makes 7. Clear with you how to make the tally marks with both the ways? With the, NCERT?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
आपको
ma'am.
दोनों तरीके से tally chart दिखाई दे सकता है in the worksheets in Google form, right? So you should know how to read both the types of the tally marks. I will go to the next again. Same way, सबके लिए tally marks आपको बनाना है. Now we directly go to the questions because they are okay. Then there are 2 columns made. One is you need to write the tally marks, and then it is written आपको numbering में भी लिखना है. So the tigers are, how many tigers are there?
5.
5.
How many deers are there?
12.
1, 2, 3, 4,
12.
5, 6 in one row. 12. Let's go to the monkeys. There are 18 monkeys. So you can see on the screen also कि NCERT way में how they have made the tally marks. Now, when you are clear with how to read and how to draw the tally marks, you have to give the answers of certain question. Mute your mics, please. How many animals does Ajay?
42.
42. 42.
Please write.
42.
Please write in the chat box.
Ma'am, I did not understand how to read it.
Who? Which child is this?
Ma'am, Jaival.
Jaival, what you have not understood in this?
Ma'am, you said that how to read that upper
Ah,
one.
which one? Upper one.
Ma'am, you said that NCRT one.
ये आपको पढ़ना नहीं आया एनसीईआरटी वाला?
No, I did not understand.
Okay, I will come back to my screen and you please pin on my board screen. एनसीईआरटी में क्या होता है? एनसीईआरटी shows अगर आपका कोई 1 है नंबर, सपोज किसी की कैलकुलेशन यू हैव डन एंड यू गॉट द नंबर 1, उसका टेलीमार्क्स कैसे बनाओगे? जस्ट द स्टैंडिंग लाइन. अगर 2 आता है तो स्टैंडिंग लाइन और देन 1 स्लैंटिंग लाइन. नंबर 3 का स्टैंड दिस एंड दिस. एंड इफ इट इज नंबर 4 तो पूरा बॉक्स बन जाता है. एंड इफ इट इज नंबर 5 तो पूरा बॉक्स बने क्या और एक स्लैंट लाइन ऐसे आएगी. Because you were not present when I was explaining this, no, you were not there in my class. Now you got it. कैसे बना?
Yeah, ma'am.
अगर ये नंबर 6 होगा, so you have to make 1 2 3 4 5 and 1 standing line.
Okay, ma'am.
This way you need to complete the number of boxes. complete होते हैं कि single. अगर if it is 7, how you will make Jaiwal 7 के लिए?
Ma'am, one full box and ma'am, the first I will make one full box and
One.
then slanting line inside and one again line.
This way. 5 and 6 and 7.
Yeah.
If it is 8, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8.
Okay, ma'am.
जब it is 9 तो 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. ये फुल बॉक्स पर फुल बॉक्स में स्लांट लाइन नहीं. 10 जैसे ही होगा तो स्लांट लाइन भी आ जाएगी. मींस ये स्लांट लाइन के साथ फुल बॉक्स जो है वो 5 के बराबर होता है.
Okay, ma'am.
अंडरस्टूड नाउ जयवाल?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. Mute your mics. I request everyone, please. It disturbs me a lot. Let me take your attendance for a while and then I will continue.
Ma'am,
Yes, Mannat.
ma'am, your screen was freezed for maybe.
My dear, I was taking attendance. I announced also that I'm taking attendance.
Yes, ma'am, but I saw that, but it was freezed for a second
Okay.
or 3-4 seconds.
Maybe some network problem. Am I clear now?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, if we will count these, how many numbers were there all together? So, elephants were 7, and then tigers were 5,
were
deers
5,
were 12, and
12.
18. And it makes
18.
Yes.
42.
42.
42.
Okay. Which animals is least in number? Least means of सबसे
Tiger.
कम है.
Tiger.
Or children, can I speak for the students, those who are new? Maybe the chapter is new for them. Maybe they were absent when I was explaining this chapter before. So please wait for the students to them also to understand. Least means सबसे कम. अब यहाँ पे which animal पूछा है तो यहाँ पे आप नाम दोगे. Sometime in the hurry what children will do, they write the number, but here they're not writing कि कितने आए हैं, least कितने हैं. 5 you will not write. You will write the name of the animal, which animal is least in number. So here you will write animal. I have noted many times in my past experience, the children, what they do in a hurry, they will write number 5. Because they're not asking number 5. They're not asking how many animals are least. They are asking which animal is least. So you need to write the name of the animal. Now next. Wait a minute. Which animal is maximum in number? Maximum means सबसे ज़्यादा.
Monkey.
Monkey.
Okay. Okay. Done now.
Monkey.
Maximum means सबसे ज़्यादा कौन से animals हैं. And here also you need to write the name of the animal, not the number of animal. Read the question carefully. Monkeys. Go to the next now. The number of fruit juices packed sold in a school canteen in a week are given below. Complete the table and fill the blanks that follow. So first of all, you should know. No one will speak in between. First of all, it is given in the telemarks. You need to write the total of this. Apples are, one bundle is for 5, 10, 15 and 17. So what will come here? 17. Now my next question is, how many oranges? Now you give the answer, children.
26.
26.
How many pineapples?
26.
How many pineapples?
19.
19.
How many guava?
8.
How many lychee?
80. 14.
Children, some are you saying?
14.
Okay, mute your mics now.
14.
Mute your mics. Many of you are correct also, some that you are telling 14. Those who are telling 19 and 18 means they are having less attention in the class. Because I know their voice, I can recognize their voice, which child is speaking 18 and 19. That child is not paying attention here in the class. It is 14. Next mixed fruit is
24.
Yes. Now move to the next. After giving them numbers, the most popular is, which is the most popular? The number,
Orange.
Here also you need to give the name. Least favorite, least means come. The packs of dash and dash fruit juice sold where the same packs of each juice were sold. What you will give the answer here? The packs of dash and dash fruit juice, how many? Here you will give the answer in the numbers. Wait a minute. You know, this is wrong. So we go to the next D. Dash more packs of orange juice than mixed fruit juice.
2.
कितने ज्यादा है?
2.
तो आपने ये कैसे निकाला?
Then minus.
By subtracting from orange, it is 26 and mixed fruit is 24. So how many more are these? We need to calculate by subtracting. So 2 more packs are of orange juices. Next is the number of guava packs sold were dash less than the number of apple packs sold.
9.
Guava or yes. Now we go to the next answer.
9.
Because guava is, apple is 17 and guava is
9.
9.
So you need to subtract.
Answer is 9.
Guava is 8. So the answer is
9. 17 minus 9 is 8. When guava is 9.
yeah, I told no, guava is 8 and
So the answer will come 9.
9.
9 fruit
Yes.
juice packs.
Can I go next now?
Yes, ma'am.
A total of dash fruit juice packs were sold in the canteen in a week. So आप 17, 26, 19, 18, 14, 24 सबको add करेंगे
Ma'am,
तो
8,
total,
not 18.
no 8, 14 and 24.
40. 14.
When you add all these numbers, you will get the total.
41.
Just
Then we have to multiply it by 7.
a total number of fruit juice packed was sold in a canteen in a 1 week. No. Wait a minute. Why you said that?
108.
Ma'am, we have to not multiply.
Let me clear, Aryan. Aryan, you said that you have to multiply it by 7.
Yes,
Read the question carefully, Aryan. The number of fruit juice packs sold in a canteen in a week. जो information है वो week की ही है.
Ma'am, we have to only take the
Only take the total, not multiply with the 7. अगर ये 1 day, चिल्ड्रन अगर ये 1 day की इंफॉर्मेशन होती और 7 days की पूछते तब आप मल्टीप्लाई करते 7 से. Am I clear with you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Mute your mic. मुझे बार बार I don't know why I have to remind you कि mute your mics. Same way, this is the also related with the tally charts. You have to make the numbers. Okay, come to the pie chart. Okay, if the pie, this circle chart is called which chart, my dear children? The name of this chart is
pie chart. Ma'am, pie chart. Pizza chart. Pie chart. Pie chart. Pie chart and pizza chart.
Now listen to me. Those who are saying pizza chart, they have to pay attention. जब ये pizza chart होके आप कह सकते हैं इसको pizza chart, you can say chapati chart, you can say several names. But in your NCERT book, the other name of pie chart is chapati chart. Remember, because I have given this in your exam also, in your CET also. Many of you are not listening in a one go. That's why circle chart like Vedansh is writing. But Vedansh, if I particularly say what is the other name in use in your NCERT book, then you will not write pizza chart or circle chart. Then you will write chapati chart. पाई चार्ट इज द नेम, वो तो है ही इसका, पर जो आपकी एनसीईआरटी में इसका अदर नेम यूज हुआ है दैट इज चपाती चार्ट, नॉट पिज्जा चार्ट एंड नॉट सर्कल चार्ट. द अदर नेम व्हिच इज यूज्ड इन योर एनसीईआरटी बुक इज पाई चार्ट एंड द चपाती चार्ट. दो नेम ही है. पाई चार्ट का दूसरा नाम जो एनसीईआरटी में है वो चपाती चार्ट ही है. आप इसको पिज्जा चार्ट, सर्कल चार्ट बुक्स में, दूसरी बुक्स में पढ़ोगे नेम, पर पर्टिकुलरली आपका ये क्वेश्चन पूछा जाए व्हाट द नेम दे हैव यूज्ड इन द एनसीईआरटी, देन यू विल से चपाती चार्ट ओनली. Because of this reason, you children don't listen in the class. That is why you children make the problems or make the wrong answers.
Ma'am, so in exam it would be like if it is written which chart is this, so we have to write pie chart or chapati.
हाँ, then आपको जो ऑप्शन होगा, या फिर आपको ऑप्शन नहीं है तो आप पाई चार्ट भी लिख सकते हैं. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
So drawing the pie chart we will do tomorrow. First, now we come with this another kind of a chart. I'll show you on the picture. Which chart is this?
Pictograph.
Pictograph. Okay. Now write in the chat box why the name of this chart is pictograph.
Ma'am, because it's a picture.
Just Rupa, really, or you don't know the class rules? Write in the chat box. Because it is represented with the pictures. That is why the name of this chart is the pictograph. Now here are some pictures of the gifts, and each gift represent 2, right? Who got the most of gifts? So first of all, pictograph में मैंने बताया है you see the pictures and multiply it with the key. Steven के पास कितने gifts हैं?
6.
Gloria के पास कितने gifts हैं?
Ma'am,
12.
And Luke के पास कितने gifts हैं?
4.
Children, this you are calculating by multiplying with the 2.
8.
Yes.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
whenever you see the pictograph, you first solve this with the key given, and then you give the answers. Jessica के पास कितने gifts हैं total?
8.
Now you come to the answer. Who got the most number of gifts?
Gloria.
Gloria.
Who got more gifts, Jessica or Steven?
Jessica.
Jessica. How many gifts did Gloria and Jessica get together? Gloria and Jessica. यहाँ पर बच्चे क्या करते हैं?
18.
They just wait a minute. Just Ruparelia. Here the children what they do, वो ग्लोरिया के काउंट करेंगे 1 2 3 4 5 6 और जेसिका के काउंट करेंगे 7 8 9 10, right? 10 लिख देंगे, but 10 will be the wrong answer.
20.
See, I'll show you the answer key also. Can you all able to see the answers?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
आपको
ma'am.
आंसर मल्टीप्लाई करके ही देना है की से. Next,
Excuse
go.
me, ma'am. Can you explain me how we get 20?
My dear, just now that only I'm explaining. They said how many all together for Jessica and Gloria. So Jessica, here it is representing in the picture is 6 and for Jessica it is representing 4. But total is 10. But you need each picture is of 2. So how many total for both of them?
20.
Yes, got it now, Rishank?
Yes, ma'am.
That's why I told जैसे ही आपके पास पिक्टोग्राफ दिखता है you need to solve it by the key. सबको solve कर दो. 3 into 2 is 6. 6 into 2 is 12. 2 into 2 is 4 and 4 into 2 is 8. जब आपके पास यहाँ पर फाइनल आंसर आ जाए आफ्टर सॉल्विंग द की, तब आप क्वेश्चंस पे जाओ. बिकॉज आपको जो आंसर्स देने हैं, द आंसर्स विच यू विल गिव बेस्ड ऑन आफ्टर सॉल्विंग इट विद द की के बाद ही देने हैं. क्लियर?
Yes, ma'am.
Who got 6 gifts?
Steven.
Steven.
Steven. अब यहाँ पर you will not give Gloria. Gloria को तो 12 gifts मिले हैं ना? But 6 gifts got by the Steven. 3 multiplied by 2. Am I clear?
Yeah, ma'am.
How many more gifts did Steven get than Andrew? Steven को 6 थे. Steven को 3 नहीं है. Steven को 6 है. Andrew को
2 more.
Andrew को 4 है. So how many more?
4.
How many more? 2 more. And Rupalia, you are not thinking and you are not thinking and then you just giving the answers. I know you are too much excited to give the answers. You first think and then give. Okay, so this way we have revised telechart and the pictograph. Tomorrow also we revise more the charts and I'll send you the worksheet based on the same today, which we have already done. So on the basis of it, the worksheet should be based on the pie chart also, based on bar graph also. It will be in the Google form. You have to solve it and send me today. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you, children, for today's class.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.